Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to remove this, evidently some sort of background, and just have the musical notes. And this thing is 7.5 by 13. I'm going to make a duplicate of it. And I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to reduce it in size quite a bit. And if you look, we go to bitmap, map, and resample. We're well over 300. And then just trace bitmap. And the reason, and I'm going to go outline trace clip art like I always do. The reason I made it smaller is because it's going to do it much faster. It's going to be less work for Corel. At this time, you could actually make it with our ratio lock. We can make it 7.583 because we've already done it now. It's already traced. And all you have to do is go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. But as you can see, it's broken up into pieces. So the easiest thing to do would be, let's get this one out of the way. Select it all, kind of the key. Go to Edit, Find and Replace. Press Selected. Now it'll only search the block that we have selected. Query. Uniform field, double click on the text part of not just the box, but the text. Go down here and get your eyedropper tool and find that black, which is just a solid RGB black. Find all. And then just move it out of the way. And now you have just the keyboard and everything else is left behind. Pretty cool graphic. It could be cleaned up a little bit, and this is something you could actually draw. Doesn't trace really well. You know what, and if you'll stay tuned, let's trace it as a big file. I'm going to show you how much longer it's going to take, but maybe it'll trace it better, we'll see. Go ahead, trace it pretty quick, even full size. Just put it over there. That's you can see it's almost 3,000 objects. So from selected, we can go find all right. No, let's select it. Edit query. Double click on that, get your eyedropper tool. Find the black, hit OK. The only thing I didn't do, I didn't ungroup it. We need to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup because it was having trouble finding it. Now, you see what happened? I didn't pick Selected. But I'm using the same color, so it's going to work. Let's see if it's any clearer. Nope, get the same result. I might try to find a musical note. This is a cool, because it looks like the keys are going up inside the note. But that should engrave, depending on how big you make it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.